Expectation goes unmet, that spouse whose expectation has gone unmet views it as an indictment against the other spouse's value of them. One of the things that I have found is in my studies and in conversation with people is that when an expectation goes unmet, that spouse whose expectation has gone unmet views it as an indictment against the other spouse's value of them.
That's good.
The reason you're not doing what I expect you to do is because for some reason you don't think I deserve it.
That's good.
And that may not even be the case.
Right.
It may be the farthest thing from the truth. But if you're not talking to each other, like Minister Thurman just said, the devil is talking to both of you. Right. And he's filling in the gaps, in the communication.
That term, perception is reality, is real.
Yeah.
It's real. And if I feel like you're intentionally undermining what I expect from you, then I'm telling myself and allowing the enemy to plant the seed that you don't care about me, and I don't know what you're doing, but you're not doing what I expect you to do. And I think part of that I've heard all of us say in the pre-production conversation was being present in the conversation. I think a lot of that pivots whether the mate or the spouse feels if they're really valued or not. If you're just simple practicing of listening to the person, right? And it's not, I know you've worked all day, or she's dealt with the kids all day, or she's worked all day. The thing is scheduling time to actually have that communication. You schedule time to do everything else. You schedule time with your friends. You schedule time at work for meetings and things of that nature. It's important to schedule time to maintenance your relationship, right? I think it's extremely important. I think we have to be intentional about that. And my wife, she took over our scheduling of our getaways, right? We do the Sybaris, we do all these different places, and it's something that I wasn't used to, but the fact that she took that on said it opened the door for me to say yes whenever she requests something, if that makes sense. Because that making love, it's not just intercourse, right? That making love is being able to be respected and honored in real time. Right? It not just, oh, my husband's this or my wife's this with friends and family, but I can see it in your eyes and I can see it in your actions. What you say is real.
Let's go another step in this as well. As we're talking about unmet expectations. Sometimes as well in the relationship, we have to take full responsibility for meeting our own needs.
That's good.
Okay. Because what if, like you mentioned earlier, what if illness is an issue? What if your partner can't meet your needs? Not won't, can't.
Right.
What happens then? With the can't. Now let's go to the won't. What happens if the partner for whatever reason won't meet your need, whatever that need may be? We all fear being rejected when we show ourselves to someone. And so if I open up my mouth to tell you what my needs are, and you turn around and say, well, I'm not going to do that. That we have to understand that as individuals, we're responsible. We have to take full responsibility for our own individual needs. And we have to then invite someone else, our spouse, to a party that we've already started.
Right.
Hey guys, it's Pastor John here. Please, if you like this video that you just saw, hit that like button for us. Second thing I want to ask you to do is to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We're putting out videos once a day at about 5:30 p.m. Hit that bell notification so that you'll know when a new video has been uploaded. And then the final thing to do, share this video, share this information. If you know somebody that has a need that it can be benefited by it, please put it out in circulation so that we can try to help as many people as possible. Thanks, and God bless.